Welcome back for another QNT price prediction analysis, and starting the video by first sharing my long-term Elliot analysis here on the QNT chart. You can see that back in 2021, QNT gave us that massive bounce to the upper side, giving us the all-time highs above the $429.7 mark in a move that gave us a 4x to the upper side. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a bear market low at around the $40.1 mark. And after seeing the bear market low, we continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that we saw this massive bounce to the upper side in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $229 mark in a move that also completed the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, and that is between the $134.6 mark and the $81.3 mark, which is an area that we have now almost fully maximized. And soon I'm expecting that we are going to get a low for the second wave, and in the next coming weeks we can then start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, which is what we expect after seeing the formation of that wave 2. And by just giving you a rough target area for the third wave, assuming that we now have a low in place for the second wave, by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, I get a minimum target area for the third wave at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $392.3 mark, and that is the minimum that I can expect that third wave to the upper side to do. But we need to have in mind that basing on the price action that we have in place at the time of this recording, there are high chances that we still don't have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming days I'm expecting one more new low here on the QNT chart between the $80 mark and the $90 mark, and that can be better seen on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and to give you the short-term price action to expect here on the QNT chart, you can see that we have been trading within this price channel, and at the time of this recording we have now seen the breakout out of the channel to the lower side, and there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is a retest, and once the retest is a success, then QNT can continue seeing further weakness, give us one more new low between the $90 mark and the $80 mark. And once we have a low in place for the second wave, then from that point we can see another turnaround to the upper side and get impulsive and start that impulsive move to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what we need to keep our eyes on here on the QNT chart. In case we see further breakdown, that should not be a surprise now. Continue expecting that one more new low before we can start gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the 1-hour chart, you can see that on the RSI we are trading at around the 42 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, which is also fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.